Welcome to Cave Leadership Development Center, your guiding light on the path of personal growth and leadership excellence. Today, we're diving into the heart of the matter, creating a simple yet effective plan for your personal growth journey. Join me as we break down the process step by step, helping you embark on a transformative path that aligns with your goals and aspirations. Define your vision and goals. It all starts with clarity. Vision casting. Learn the importance of envisioning your ideal self and the goals you want to achieve. Setting SMART goals. Discover the power of specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals.
Identify your strengths and areas for growth.
Self-awareness is key. Self-assessment. Understand your strengths and areas that need improvement for a balanced growth journey. SWOT analysis. Learn how to conduct a personal SWOT analysis to identify your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats.
Choose relevant learning resources.
Knowledge fuels growth. Reading and learning. Explore the world of books, courses, and resources that align with your growth goals. Seek mentorship. Understand the importance of seeking guidance from mentors who can accelerate your growth. Turning intentions into actions. Break it down. Learn to break your goals into actionable steps to make your journey more manageable. Consistency is key. Discover the power of consistent effort and small daily actions.
Embrace adaptability.
Flexibility is vital. Embrace change. Understand that growth is a dynamic process that may require adjusting your plan along the way. Reflect and adjust. Learn the art of reflecting on your progress and making necessary adjustments to stay on track. As we wrap up this practical guide, remember that your personal growth journey is unique. By crafting a simple plan that resonates with you, you're setting yourself up for a transformative experience that aligns with your vision and goals. Thank you for joining us today at Cave Leadership Development Center. We believe that by simplifying the process, personal growth becomes more attainable and empowering. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Until next time.